Welcome to video number 6 in Offline Bullet Cash. As you can see, the site is looking pretty good. I've recently uploaded an article to the homepage, which is the static homepage, and I've got a few images in there as well. So this homepage, or this article here, is always going to be on the homepage. This is the static homepage, so every time someone comes to this website, this is the article and the content that they're always going to see. So when you build your sites, make sure that you do this. Make sure that you designate an article which is going to be the introduction to the business, and it's always going to be on the homepage. I've also already got a couple of Facebook likes. I've got my navbar links, but what happened was there was one that I forgot to include, and that was prices, so I included that. So I've now got prices, videos, contact us, opening times, gallery, and where are we. So I've got 6 different links there, and these are all completely relevant to this type of business. But depending what type of product or service that your offline client has depends on the type of nav links that you have in here. So just remember that. Now if we go down to the footer, in the footer I've got contact us, privacy policy, and need a website. Now need a website is optional. I will cover that in a different video, but this is something that you can add to get extra exposure and you can get more clients, but we will cover that in a different video. So this is pretty much the finished version. I can, or I will, be adding some YouTube videos in the sidebar and some extra images, but for now this is pretty much the finished version. So as you can see, it does look pretty good once everything's been customized and you change colors and you change the layout and the fonts and all that, and you get a decent header uploaded. It really does start to look quite professional, and you can make some fantastic money by building simple sites like these, because offline clients love these sites. All of the offline clients that I've built sites for, they love them, and they are obviously for you, and you know they are very simple to make, to build. As I've just shown you in the last few videos, they're really simple, so it doesn't have to be hard. So you don't need to worry about any code, any HTML, CSS, any of that, because this is just a WordPress platform. And as I've shown you, you just customize the theme, and it looks something like this when it's all done. It does look very nice. Now before I end the video, let's just quickly cover some of these nav links. Some of these links here I don't have content on, but that doesn't matter at the minute, because I can always go back in and add content within those pages at a later date. The prices one here, I've got some content on there. There's content there, look. Videos, there's nothing on videos. Contact us is the plugin that we use, as I said to you about. Opening times, I've filled that out, so it's got some basic information there. Gallery, that could just be tons of pictures and videos and stuff that you've got, but that's empty at the minute. And where are we? What I do is go to Google Maps and find the business address on Google Maps and then link it to there, because some people do click on where are we and they do have a look to see exactly where the business is. So this is how I set all of my links up, and it works really well. And just lastly, as I said to you in one of the other videos, when you build your header, make sure that you've got your opening hours and your opening times and your contact number in the header. You don't always have to do this, but it's a good move to do it if you're going to be building sites for offline clients, because they're obviously trying to get more customers through the door. So by having a contact number direct on the header and the opening hours is going to be a big benefit to them. In the next video, we're going to cover the best businesses to approach for building websites. So I will see you in video number 7.